Question 7 is 2 marks. The question says the mass of a silver coin is 48.3 grams. The density of silver is 10.5 grams per centimeters cube. Work out the volume. This is mass, density, and volume question. You need to memorize the triangle. It's not given in the formula sheet. This is the mass, density, volume triangle. Mass comes up here, so that's M here, density and volume here. Now, whatever you want, cover it. The question asks you to find volume, so let's cover this volume. What's the volume equals? It's equals to M, this is a division, divided by D. So let's write that down. Volume equals M divided by D. So the volume will equal to, what's the mass? The mass is 48.3 divided by the volume, which is 10.5. This is a calculator allowed paper, so just plug this in your calculator. It gives you 4.6. Do you need to know what's the units for this? No, you don't. You just need to know it's 4.6, and the units is already written here. So it's 4.6, and they wrote centimeters cube. Now, question 8. The mean number, the mean of 7 numbers